In this video, I will guide you on how to configure OpenRouter on the RooCode extension. First, we need to create an API key. If you don't have one yet, please go here and create one for yourself. I will open Visual Studio Code and install the RooCode extension. I have already installed it here, so if you haven't, go ahead and install it. Next, I will go to the API provider configuration settings and select OpenRouter, then enter the API key we just created and choose the model we want to use. Then we go to the privacy section of OpenRouter to select the provider we want to use, or you can skip it to default to allowing all.